What's up, everybody? It's your boy Paper Drew, back with another video. This is going to be, as you can tell from the thumbnail and as well as from the description, is going to be a Supreme packaging, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. This was probably one of the most hyped items from last weekend's drop. This weekend, or sorry, not last weekend. Oh, it actually was, because it was on Friday. So this release dropped on Black Friday, which was crazy because there was people doing Black Friday shopping. Of course, a lot of shoes, a lot of sneakers released, deals, of course, in-store released. So this was kind of different for Supreme, as they usually drop on Thursdays, as most of you guys already know, at 11 a.m. They dropped this on Friday, 11 a.m. instead. So this week, I think they're doing the, well, I know they're doing the North Face collaboration, and that has a lot more hyped items in it, probably multiple hyped items in it, whereas this past Black Friday release, I think the Blessed tee and maybe the beanies and maybe that denim jacket wound up being like one of the hyped items as well. That being said, this particular item here, once I saw it, I had to have it, had to try to get it the best that I could. Oh, here we go. Got another Rubber Johnny, Chris Cunningham sticker. I already got that one because I got that one from the last one I got. I got the green or the Chihuahua tee. Oh, dope. I got the Supreme Killer from the Killer collab, as you can see. That's dope. Didn't have that one, so that's sick. See if they drop the box logo in here. No bouncy ball, unfortunately, but actually I'll take that. I'll take the Killer Supreme collab sticker. So it comes with DVD, and a lot of people got confused on this drop, and a lot of people were pissed off because they didn't know if it was going to be dropping as a t-shirt or if it was going to be dropping just as a DVD. So most people, what they did was they went to new, or they went to I think it was they went to t-shirts, and unfortunately what that does is it takes up a lot of your time. Sold out in about 30 seconds or 16 seconds. That includes processing time, so that was crazy. So it came with a DVD. Now this was on the accessory section. I copped on my phone. If people want to know, I don't use bots. You guys already know that if I don't use bots for pretty much anything. I did back in the day, maybe like 4 or 5 years ago, but I'm not gonna pay for a bot. And then now everybody has bots for the most part, and it's like you're paying money and it's not even guaranteed that you will get it with proxies and all the other shit. So I'm not the one to spend money on nonsense. So as you can see, it came with a DVD. So the DVD, I'm guessing, was 20 bucks. The shirt was another 20 bucks. So it came out to be like 40 something dollars, $48, which is like normal for a Supreme t-shirt. So to get this or this, whichever you want to call it, for free is dope in my opinion. This is only the second movie that Supreme has ever done. The first one they did was Cherry. As you can see, it says Blessed DVD and Tee. They didn't sell either one of these separate. You have to buy the stuff. It comes as a package, so you have to get them together. Unfortunately, anybody who wanted the DVD, as far as a physical copy of the DVD, that it wasn't able to get it together, is not going to be able to get it. It's on iTunes, so if you guys are really into the DVD or into just the visual part of it, you can go watch it as far as that's concerned. But most of you guys are going to be interested in the t-shirt. As you can see, it says Blessed on there. It says that there. Has the guy right there. His name is Sean, I believe, and he's throwing up the middle finger. I think it shows it here. Yep, Sean Pablo. So that's Sean Pablo on the actual t-shirt, throwing up the middle finger. So yeah, I got him size large, which is my size, as you can see right there. And let me see, I see right here. And it comes in like little, it doesn't come in a regular poly bag, it comes like in a zipper bag. So it's dope. Pull it out. Show you guys. Got a little thing here, but that's all good. It says Blessed in the back, and then it has the Supreme box logo on the back in black, so you guys can see here. So there it is right there. It says Blessed. It says 2018, Supreme 2018, and then the Supreme logo is in the back. So let me know what you guys think about it. Do you guys think it's dope? Do you guys think it's not dope? Did you try for it and not get it? Here, let me show you the full graphic on the front here, so you guys can get a good visual of what it looks like. So there it is right there. That's the guy, Sean Pablo. There's his middle finger, obviously. You guys know what that means already. You already know this is going to go up in price. I think small, extra large, medium, they're going for like 120, 110, depending on sizes. People are selling the DVD separate. I don't know. If anybody wants a DVD, make me a decent offer, and you can have it if you're into it and you want to watch it. For me, I'll just watch it because I know people who have iTunes. If I really want to watch it, I'll just do that. But it does come, the cool thing about the DVD is that it comes with a photo book inside. So it's kind of like a lookbook, if you will, but it's got a photo book inside, has all the pictures from when they actually were doing the entire process of filming, which is dope as well. So it's kind of got that that vibe to it. It's got the DVD. It's like a collector's item, obviously. So those of you who like Supreme and are like really into it as far as the skating aspect is concerned, then you guys will like that. That just is right there. It just tells you the videos by William Strobeck and all the people that are in it. This is the Supreme skate team, if you will, for the most part there. So let me know what you guys think. Did you cop? Did you not cop? Are you looking forward? Did you hold off because you're looking forward to this week, which is the North Face and Supreme collab? I think I'm gonna go for the blue shirt, the blue logo tee, which has the guy who's like sitting on a mountain or something. It's crazy, and has the Supreme logo, has the North Face logo on it. Looks pretty dope. Either I try to get it in blue or I'll try to get it in white. Or maybe black. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure yet. But it's gonna be a crazy week. They got parkas. They got a fleece jacket. It's all crazy. But I think a lot of people were holding their money over for this week, and they didn't get anything, or they didn't get much from last week. I think this probably was the only thing people really wanted was the Blessed thing, and if they didn't get it, they're kind of moving on to the North Face collab. So let me know now below, guys, what are you planning on getting this week from the Supreme drop? Or were you able to cop the Blessed tee? The Blessed, I should say the Blessed package, because that's what it is, which is dope in my opinion. So again, like, comment, subscribe, not because I asked you, because you like the content. And as always, I got more stuff coming. 1,000 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. I don't know what it's going to be yet. It's probably going to be something, it might be something Supreme, it might be something Icy Rabbit, it might be something totally completely different, might be a pair of shoes, I don't know. But once we get to 1,000, then I'll go ahead and run a poll or something like that. We'll see what you guys want, would like for me to give away, and we'll go from there. I think if we can get that before January or right around January, then I'll do something crazy. So again, like, comment, subscribe, share the video if you wish, and as always, man, like I say, y'all stay.